Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Myself, my name is Faridul Islam. I am a student of class Hifzul Quran department in Tahfizul Quran Model Madrasa. My father name is Mosharraf Hussain. My father is a farmer. My mother name is Regina Khatun. My mother is a homemaker. My address, my village name is Elibara. My sub-district name is Ulipur. My district name is Kuligram. My city name is Rampur. My capital name is Dhaka. My country name is Bangladesh. My grandfather name is Mujahar Ali. My grandmother name is Shabeda Begum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.